Hey guys, Owen here. I thought we could go over the benefits of social media and how it can help greatly with affiliate marketing. In today's digital age, social media platforms have become an integral part of our lives. They allow us to connect with friends, share our experiences, and discover new things. But did you know that social media can also be a great tool for affiliate marketing? In this article, we'll explain how social media can help with affiliate marketing and why it's such a powerful combination. Firstly, what is affiliate marketing? Before we dive into the role of social media, let's understand what affiliate marketing is. Imagine you have a favorite product or service, and you want to tell others about it. Affiliate marketing allows you to earn a commission for promoting that product or service and driving sales or leads. It's like being a brand ambassador and getting rewarded for your efforts. A great example of an affiliate program is our online business app, which you can learn about later in the description below this video. How social media can help. 1. Wide reach. Social media platforms like Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter have billions of users worldwide. By utilizing these platforms, you can reach a large audience, including people who might be interested in the products or services you're promoting. This means more potential customers and more chances to earn commissions. 2. Targeted advertising. Social media platforms provide powerful advertising tools that allow you to target specific groups of people based on their interests, demographics, and behavior. This means you can show your promotions to the right audience, increasing the likelihood of them being interested in what you have to offer. 3. Building a personal brand. With social media, you can create your own online persona and build a personal brand. By sharing valuable content, engaging with your audience, and establishing yourself as an expert or influencer in a particular niche, you gain credibility and trust. When you recommend products or services, people are more likely to listen and make purchases based on your recommendations. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe. 4. Content creation. Social media platforms provide various formats for content creation, such as posts, videos, stories, and live streams. These formats allow you to showcase the products or services you're promoting in creative and engaging ways. You can demonstrate how they work, share your experiences, and even offer special discounts or promotions to your followers. 5. Sharing and virality. One of the great things about social media is its ability to make content go viral. If you create compelling and shareable content, your followers may share it with their friends and followers, expanding your reach exponentially. This means more people seeing your promotions, potentially leading to more sales and commissions. In conclusion, social media and affiliate marketing make a powerful combination. By utilizing social media platforms, you can reach a wide audience, target the right people, build a personal brand, create engaging content, and benefit from the sharing and virality of social media. Just remember to always be genuine, provide value, and choose products or services that you truly believe in. So, if you're looking for a way to make money online while sharing your favorite things, consider exploring the world of affiliate marketing through social media. Thanks for watching, and please check out the description below for invaluable links to freedom.